Before I get started on how to create a video for affiliate product promotion, let me show you proof of earnings. I just spend about 2 hours a week on this. The strategy I use is affiliate marketing with YouTube videos. Anyone can do this method, but the problem is most people's YouTube videos don't convert and thus they don't make money from that video. Basically, no one clicks any YouTube affiliate links after watching the video. No one actually ends up buying. It's not because you can't make a video. It boils down to what you say in the video structure, and the type of video that you create. To help solve that problem, here's a proven formula you can use right now to massively improve your affiliate commission from video. Hi, I'm Shamel from PromoteYouTubeVideos.com. This video is part 2 of a video series I started to share the exact steps on how to make money on YouTube with affiliate marketing. If you haven't seen the first video on how to choose a profitable affiliate product promote, the link is in the description. And if you don't want to miss the future videos in this series, be sure to subscribe to this channel. I upload videos every Saturday. Okay, so how do you structure your video so that you can convert a viewer into a buying customer? Here are 5 steps I use. Let me use an example. Let's say I'm trying to promote an ebook related to selling your home yourself. Step 1. Open with a shocking statement. Start with a shocking statement that is bound to grab your target audience's attention and snap them out of whatever hypothesis they might find themselves in at that moment. Then I might start the video with something along the lines of, "Attention homeowners, are you going to let your realtor steal 50% or more of your hard-earned home equity?" It will get people thinking and will want to watch your video more. Step 2. State the problem and why it's a big deal. In this section, you tell your target audience what problem they face and why it's something they can't ignore. I often do this with a list of bullets, especially if I'm doing some PowerPoint style video. For example, even though realtors only charge 6% commission, that commission could represent a huge chunk of your equity, especially in today's market. That means, and so forth, right? Then give the bullet points over there. The third step is to introduce the solution. This is where you show them that you have the solution to their problem. You can save the day, for example. But luckily for you, there's now a solution. Introducing, and then you give whatever the product name and then go on listing the advantages of having this product. Step 4 is giving credibility and proof. Tell them why they should listen to you and prove what you say is true. You can use testimonials, statistics, screenshots of results, before and after pictures, and so forth. Whatever you need to show them to prove you are telling the truth. For example, you can say, take a look at these testimonials from people just like you. The 5th step is to give specific reasons to act now. This is an area where most people fail in creating an affiliate video. Many people want your solution. They may know they have the problem. They may even want the solution very badly, but they still procrastinate. One of the easiest ways to get someone off the mark is to offer bonuses. Yes, there are a lot of ways to get them to take action now, but bonuses are the easiest to do for most people. For example, in this case, you can say, act now and get these exclusive bonuses. The bonus could be like a special report, how I did it, or it could be like free report of property listings and so forth. So there you have it, a proven formula that has worked across the different niches to sell just about any kind of affiliate product. If you haven't done so already, make sure to subscribe to get the other videos in this series of affiliate marketing with YouTube videos.